Hi there! Welcome back to another electrifying episode of Tech Tidbits. I'm your host, Piotr Tarnawski, aka Angry Admin, bringing you the latest and greatest in the world of technology. We've got a jam-packed show today as I was on holidays and there were no recording last week. Some juicy updates, a few head scratches, and even a bit of drama. So let's dive right into the news. First up, we have some drama from the world of Python. No, not the snake, but the programming language that's as essential to developers as a coffee is to the Monday mornings. Recently, one of Python's core developers, Pablo Galindo, I hope I pronounced it right, got suspended for violation of community's code of conduct. Now, you may be wondering what could possibly go wrong in the sense of word of code. Well, it turns out that maintaining a global open source project like Python comes with its own set of challenges. The specifics of the incident haven't been fully disclosed, but it's caused quite a stir. Discussions are heating up about how communities like this should manage internal conflicts and ensure everyone plays nice. It's a reminder that even in the tech where logic rules, emotion can still run high. Up next, I got a story that sounds almost too wild to be true. Lidl. Yes, the discount grocery store is stepping into the ring with likes of Amazon, Google, and Microsoft. But instead of bread and milk, Lidl is now playing in the high-stake game of cloud computing. So, how did we get here? Lidl has been quietly developing its own cloud infrastructure with the help of HP. This isn't just some small-scale operation either. We are talking about a serious bid to reduce their dependency on the big players in the cloud market. Here's where it gets technical. At the heart of its project is HPE's GreenLake platform, a cloud service solution that allows Lidl to have a hybrid cloud setup. This means Lidl can manage both public and private cloud environments seamlessly. GreenLake offers a pay-per-use model, which is perfect for the company like Lidl that wants to scale its operation efficiently without getting locked in the long-term contract with providers like AWS, GCP or Azure. But you may wonder, why would a grocery chain even want to get into cloud computing? Well, in today's retail world, data is king. Lidl is using its cloud infrastructure to power everything from inventory management to customer data analysis. This move gives Lidl more control over its operations, reduces costs, and potentially improves customer experience by allowing them to leverage advanced technologies like machine learning and AI directly in their stores. By taking the cloud into their own hands, Lidl is positioning itself not just as a retail giant, but as a tech-savvy player that's not afraid to challenge the status quo. It's a bold move, but in the world where data is a new oil, Lidl venture into cloud computing could pay off big time. Now, here's a piece of news that will make tech history buffs a smile. After nearly 3 decades, Microsoft has finally increased the FAT32 partition size limit in Windows. For those of you who aren't storage geek, FAT32 is an old file system that's been around since the day when computers and floppy disk drives. If you don't know what floppy disk is, it's a safe icon. Until now, it's stuck with 32 gigabytes partition limit, which made it less useful in today's world of terabyte-sized drives. But in a surprise move, Microsoft has lifted this limit, allowing larger partitions. This update may seem small, but it's like a breathing new life into a classic car, bringing something vintage into the modern area. My question would be still why? And let's discuss that in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this move, and let's have a discussion and chat with me at X platform. My handler is at AngrySysops. Gamers, get ready to level up. MSI has just unveiled a new feature that promises to boost the performance of AMD Ryzen 9000 series CPUs by up to 22%. Yes, you heard me right, up to 22%. It isn't just marketing hype, folks. MSI has developed a feature called Performance Boost Mode, which fine-tunes your CPU's power setting to squeeze out every last drop of performance. Whenever you are slaying enemies in the latest AA game or crunching numbers in a high-stakes simulation, this feature could be a game changer. It's like turning your standard sports car into Formula 1 race car with just a press of the button. Now, onto the story straight out of the tech thriller. As you know, obviously, because that was a big news and it was in all news outlets, the founder of Telegram, Pavel Durov, was recently detained in France. Telegram is known for its strong stance on privacy and encryption, which has made it popular among users who value security. However, Durov's arrest has raised eyebrows and sparked concerns about future of the app. The details are still emerging, but this could be significant turning point for Telegram and the broader debate over encryption and privacy. If you are a Telegram user, keep an eye on this one. This could get complicated. One of the accusation is lack of moderation on the Telegram. Apparently, admin team from the Telegram can see every message and they can moderate. However, they don't do it, and apparently there is some shady deals going on, including some explicit content as well, which is not legal. Not only adult content, but explicit content which is illegal. Durov stays behind this free speech barrier, but when there is a harm to other people, I think this is not a free speech anymore. Again, let me know what you think about in the comment section about this. And let's move to the next news, which is big. So now I will tell you about something which could change the way we all interact with our PCs in the future. If you are eyeing the next version of Windows 12, there's a catch. You may not get it unless you embrace Microsoft's AI assistant, Copilot. So what's the deal with Copilot? Introduced in Windows 11 as a smart integrated AI assistant, Copilot is designated to help users with tasks ranging from scheduling meetings to drafting emails. It's essential Microsoft answer to Siri or Google Assistant, but with deeper integration into Windows operating system. Rumors suggest that Windows 12, which is still under development, will require Copilot to be enabled for users to access the full suite of features. This move signals Microsoft's commitment to pushing AI as a core component of their operating system, but it also raises some important questions about privacy and user control. Technically speaking, Copilot isn't just a voice assistant. It's an AI-driven productivity tool that's deeply integrated into Microsoft Cloud services. It leverages Azure's powerful AI capabilities to provide real-time suggestion, automate tasks, and even help with creative projects like writing and designing. Imagine opening a Word document and having Copilot draft a rough outline for you based on the topic you are working on, or scheduling meeting in Outlook with all the details filled in automatically. This is the kind of functionality Microsoft is aiming for. But here's a catch. Copilot's deep integration with cloud services means it constantly learning and processing data to improve its suggestions and responsiveness. This has sparked concerns about how much data Copilot will have access to and how that data will be used. Microsoft has assured users that privacy is a top priority, but the mandatory nature of Copilot in Windows 12 could be a tough pill to swallow for those who are worried of AI and data collection. For businesses, especially, this could be a double-edged sword. On one hand, Copilot could vastly improve productivity and streamline operation. On the other hand, it introduced new consideration around data security and compliance, particularly in the regulated industries. So, if you are planning to upgrade to Windows 12, be prepared to welcome Copilot into your digital life. Or you might find yourself stuck on an older version of Windows. And that's a wrap for today's episode of Tech Tidbits. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for your weekly dose of tech news.